Hi everyone, this is Mishal Salim. Today I got some A-level mathematics stuff for my students. Okay, so here we have a function and we are going to prove that whether the function is true or false. So here's the statement that f of x is 4x squared minus 24x plus 39, and the condition is that show that function f is positive for all x. Whatever value we give to x, so the function will be positive. Here the range will be positive. So let's prove it. Okay, so first I'm gonna write the function f of x is 4x squared minus 24x. So as you see in A-level mathematics, there are four or five ways by which you can prove something. So this question we will be proving by deduction. So this is proved by deduction. Okay, I'm going to factorize it. These two has something in common, this 4x squared and minus 24x. So let's factorize it. They have 4 in common, and they have, so I will take 4 as a common factor and factorize it. Okay, so what's left here? X squared is left only, and then 4 times 6 is 24, so I will write 6 here with x, then close the bracket and plus 39. Okay, now I'm going to complete square it. So it will be x squared minus 6x. In order to square it completely, complete square it, which is a topic we will discuss in some other video. Okay, so it will look like this: a minus b whole square. That's what I meant by complete square. So now I will make this expression in the form of a minus b whole square. So in order to do that, I need a 9 here, plus 9 here. So if I write plus 9 here, it will become x minus 3 whole square. So I added 9, that is an additional thing, something else that is not here. So in order to reduce or eliminate the effect of this on our function, I will also minus 9. So now here you can see positive 9, negative 9 cancel each other, gives us 0, so it takes no effect on the function. So we can write it. I'll close the bracket and plus 39. Okay, now in the next step I'm going to close the bracket and make it a complete square like this. As we can write 9 as 3 square, because 3 square is 9. So a square, so x will be, or a square plus b square and negative of 2 into ab. Okay, let me write it stepwise. I was going to do it directly, but let's do it stepwise. Okay, so first I will write 3 square instead of plus 9, and then negative 9 on its own place, plus 39. Okay, so a square plus b square minus 2 into a, which is x here, into b, which is 3 here. So that will make the formula. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this expression and this expression is the same thing, because 3 square is 9 and 2 times 3 is 6 and x. So negative 6x, which is here, x square and x square. It is the same thing. Now in the next step, I'm going to enclose it with the help of the formula. So it will be x minus 3 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, and then minus 9, then bracket close, and plus 39. Now in the next step, I'm going to multiply this 4 with these 2, because as you can see, bracket means multiplication, and this 4 is in multiplication with x minus 3 whole square and with 9. So let's multiply it. So it will be 4 into x minus 3 whole square, then 4 times negative 9 is negative 36. So negative 36 plus 39, and this is our last step, which is 4 into x minus 3 whole square, and now add these two, negative 36 and plus 39. So if you remove 36, you take away 36 from 39, it is 3. So now here is our function f of x, f function in x variable. So from this expression we definitely can conclude something. Okay, so what do we conclude? Let's see. If I give some value to x, and then I do the subtraction and then square it and then times it with 4, so it will definitely give me the multiple of 4, because something multiplied by 4 equals the multiple of 4. So the multiple of 4 and then plus 3, so it is definitely the number greater than 0. So all the numbers greater than 0 are positive. Just give a look to the question once again. Okay, so this is the function, and they are telling us that show that function f is positive for all x. So any value you give to this function, you put in x, so the function will be positive. So here you can see that this will be the multiple of 4 and the multiple of 4 plus 3. So it is definitely these are definitely range of numbers greater than 0. So I will just write that I am now concluding that 4 into x minus 3 whole square plus 3 is greater than 0. Whatever value you give to this function, it will be greater than 0. So all the values greater than 0 are positive. So hence we proved that this function is positive for all values of x. Thank you.